Hey everybody, my name's Petrie, and I'm going to be going over section 2, which is going to talk about the style, structure, visuals, and designs of this website. Um, the biggest key is you want it to be simple. You want people to be easy to be able to use it and not complicated at all. And this site does that. As you see right here, they have 4 big boxes that are all blue that are the biggest points, about what they do and what they're trying to get with this. Then if you look up here, it's very simple. They have listings, headings that I'm not even clicking them, and you just see it comes down. And you click one and it goes right to another part of their page. Um, so it's just very, very user friendly. The other thing is their color schemes. They're staying the 3 colors in the whole thing, and that's white, blue, and black. Um, they use blue for everything that you can click on, black for things that you can't, and white for the background. This is going to give a clean, professional look to your website, which is key. When you're trying to be a professional business in the healthcare industry. Um, as you see here, they do have lists and um, they do have the list designs, and they have alphabetical listings here for symptoms and stuff like that if you want to check diseases. All their pictures come in square boxes, I noticed. It gives it a clean look. You don't have things in the background. The background stays all white. So this is very nice. The other one is their continuity. When you go clicking from page to page, it's the same. Same white background, same lettering, same style, same fonts. Their fonts are very APA based, 10 to 12, font size. Nothing fancy about it. They're not being artistic, they're being professional, and you can see that all over their page. Um, um, But yeah, another one is their constant. This is a very constant page. You click, and as you see, you always see the Mayo Clinic in the corner. Everything looks pretty much the same. Same color fonts. You don't have crazy things going over. Everything's in boxes. Anything that you can click is in blue. Anything you can is in black. This is a well-designed site this way, and it makes it very user-friendly, very easy to navigate and get around to what you're trying to find. That this is very important. So that's that. Everyone have a good day. Now it's going to be on to Charmaine, and she's going to finish up this conclusion. Thank you very much. Bye, everybody.